All right, let's begin with the breaking update. What we are getting to know that the India bloc leaders continue to mock the government, they continue to question the Prime Minister, and they continue to question Operation Sindoor as well, calling it as an absolute failure. Sanjay Raut of the Shiv Sena UBT once again has raised the question and has blamed the government for the failure of Pahalgam in its failure of getting those terrorists behind the Pahalgam massacre to be neutralized. On the other side, we are looking at Congress leader Pawan Khera also retorting to the Prime Minister, saying that his government is not a government anymore, but a drama company led by an actor. As far as the opposition is concerned, it continues to cross the line. Let's get a word from Nilesh and Sabyasachi, who are connected with us. But in the meantime, let's listen into the reaction, how the opposition continues to mock the government, continues to mock our forces, and continues to mock Operation Sindoor.
26 हमारी माता भूमि का सिंदूर उजाड़ दिया आतंकवादियों ने, उसके लिए जिम्मेदार देश के गृह मंत्री अमित शाह है और उसका प्रायश्चित लेने के लिए अमित शाह जी ने अपने पद से इस्तीफा देना चाहिए। ये मैं बार बार कहता हूं, नहीं तो प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कर्तव्य पालन में चूक हो गई, इसके लिए अमित शाह का इस्तीफा लेना चाहिए, उनको मंत्रिमंडल से बर्खास्त करना चाहिए। और ये अमित शाह कल आकर हमको ज्ञान दे रहा है मुंबई में। आप जिम्मेदार हो, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने ये सिंदूर जो उजाड़ दिया हमारे महिलाओं का, कहाँ है वो आतंकवादी? क्या आपने गुजरात में छुपाया है, क्या दाहोद में छुपाया है? कल मोदी जी दाहोद में थे ना, जिस दाहोद में औरंगजेब का जन्म हुआ है गुजरात में, वहां से कल बड़े बड़े गर्जना कर रहे थे ये लोग। लेकिन जिम्मेदार आप है, आपकी वजह से ये हमारे महिलाओं का, माताओं का, बहनों का सिंदूर उजाड़ दिया, तो आप प्रायश्चित लेकर इस्तीफा दीजिए।
राम कदम जी भी हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़ रहे हैं। राम कदम जी, क्या कुछ नहीं कहा गया? बारात बोला, फॉरेन पॉलिसी कोलैप्स हो चुकी है, ये कहा गया, मजाक उड़ाया गया एक तरीके से ऑपरेशन सिंदूर का, प्रधानमंत्री के ऊपर सवाल उठाए गए। क्या आपको लगता है कि एक लक्ष्मण रेखा है जिसे बार बार लांघ रही है ऑपोजिशन, विपक्ष?
देखिए, श्रीमान उद्धव ठाकरे गुट की मति पूरी तरह से समाप्त हो गई है। ये भारत में रह करके मां भारती का अपमान हो, हमारे जो शहीद जवान हुए हैं, साहसी हमारी फौज है, उनका ये सीधे सीधे अपमान कर रहे हैं। जब पाकिस्तान स्वयं स्वीकार कर रहा है कि किस प्रकार से बुरी तरह से उनके जो लश्कर के ठिकाने हैं जहां आतंकवादी का प्रशिक्षण हो रहा था, वो हमारी सेना ने ध्वस्त कर दिए, उसके बाद भी उद्धव ठाकरे के नेता इस प्रकार की बयानबाजी करेंगे? कम से कम ये तो सोचते हैं कि राजनीति करने के लिए कई मुद्दे मिलेंगे, आरोप प्रत्यारोप के लिए मुद्दे मिलेंगे, कटाक्ष करना है जरूर करे, पर जहां देश की बात आती है, राष्ट्र प्रथम, ये भाव स्वर्गीय बाला साहब ठाकरे जी का था, पर ये उद्धव ठाकरे उनके नेता राहुल गांधी की गोद में बैठ रहे हैं। और ये वो राहुल गांधी है जो पाकिस्तान और चाइना, जो हमारा दुश्मन मुल्क है, उनके प्रवक्ता के रूप में पेश आते हैं, जो विदेश में जाकर के भारत के विरोध में बात करते। वे राहुल गांधी के संग रहने के बाद, एक कहावत है, जिसके साथ रहोगे उसकी वाणी बोलोगे जी। तो राउत और उद्धव ठाकरे ये कांग्रेस की भाषा बोल रहे हैं। मैं सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं उद्धव ठाकरे के नेताओं से, जब 2008 में जब मुंबई में कसाब, जब 26/11 हुआ हमला जी, उस समय कांग्रेस की सरकार थी, इतने सारे लोगों को मारा गया, ताज में घुस गए लोग, ओबरॉय में घुस गए लोग जी, उस समय कांग्रेस की सरकार ने क्यों नहीं बदला लिया? क्यों हाथ पर हाथ बैठे रहे? पर यह आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी की सरकार है।
तो राम कदम जी, हम देख रहे हैं कि जो सवाल है वो उठाए जा रहे हैं लगातार। हमने देखा है कि प्रधानमंत्री के ऊपर सवाल उठाए गए हैं, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के ऊपर सवाल उठाए गए हैं, अब गृह मंत्री अमित शाह के ऊपर भी सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, सीधा उनका इस्तीफा मांगा जा रहा है। धन्यवाद आपका राम कदम जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। एज फार एज द बीजेपी हैज नाउ बीन रिएक्टिंग, लेट्स एग्जैक्टली पुट आउट व्हाट द यूनियन होम मिनिस्टर हैज आल्सो बीन सेइंग। He has now hit out at the Shiv Sena UBT faction, saying that if Bala Saheb Thackeray would have been alive today, he would have been proud of the success of Operation Sindoor. Rather, he would have gone on and hugged the Prime Minister for the success. Addressing a public event in Maharashtra's Nanded, Amit Shah has slammed a UBT-led Shiv Sena, saying that it mocked the multi-party delegations visiting multiple countries across the globe to convey India's message on zero tolerism against terrorism as a barat or a wedding procession.
तो उद्धव सेना के एक प्रमुख नेता ने कहा कि किसकी बारात जा रही, मुझे मालूम नहीं होता ये उद्धव सेना को क्या हो गया है। ये बाला साहब की पार्टी हुआ करती थी एक जमाने में, आज बाला साहब होते तो ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के लिए मोदी जी को गले लगा लेते, गले लगा लेते। और ये उद्धव सेना सर्वदलीय प्रतिनिधिमंडल जिसमें उनके भी मेंबर गए हैं, उसको बारात कहने का काम करती है।
Well, Pragya, Nilesh and Sabyasachi connected with us. Pragya, क्या कुछ नहीं कहा गया है? As we have seen, as the Prime Minister has just concluded his address from Gandhinagar, he has been roaring, giving out stern messages to Pakistan. मिट्टी में मिला देंगे from where he began, to has been continuing to say that गोली और गोला दोनों से जवाब दिया जाएगा to Pakistan, but it seems that our own opposition continues, unfortunately, to question Operation Sindoor.
Absolutely, and Operation Sindoor also has been taken to the masses, as Prime Minister said that सैन्यकरण हो चुका है Operation Sindoor का, अब सामाजिकरण करना बाकी है, and this is exactly what he meant when he said इसको सामाजिकरण करना बाकी है. Operation Sindoor also stands for vocal for local. It also stands for self-reliant Bharat, and this is exactly Prime Minister said that during Operation Sindoor, what defense forces did was they used homegrown technology. There was Akash, and we achieved success in ensuring that we hurt Pakistan in a way that it will take time to recuperate. And this is the larger message that Prime Minister is also sending across to masses. And this is also, he has been iterating and saying that this message should be gone to Pakistan and to the world as well. Not just that, it looks like that opposition is also rattled now, because the kind of sentiment and kind of response that Prime Minister is evoking and his speech are evoking right now, it looks like that people of the country are in sync with Prime Minister's emotions and also what he is saying right now. The sentiment of nationality, the sentiment of patriotism is high. The fervor is really high, and this is exactly what Prime Minister has epitomized for many in the country as well. And this is what looks like the opposition is afraid of. And that is why ever since Operation Sindoor took place, despite the fact that defense forces came on record to say that we achieved this.
And there are still some who continue to mock, to use certain initials, give no clarity, and continue to ask for the resignation and continue to question as far as the role of the United States in the ceasefire is concerned. What all not has been said, right from Bharat to seeking a resignation. Meanwhile, the Congress is unwilling to stop. Congress leader Pawan Khera, while addressing a press briefing a short while back, said the Prime Minister is only engaging in dialogue-bazi. He has also taunted the government as one that is a drama company.
वो क्या कर रहे थे उसका तो जिक्र करना भी मुझे लगता है एक इस गंभीर विषय पर उनका जिक्र करना मुझे लगता है बहुत मजाकिया हो जाएगा, और ये मजाकिया विषय है नहीं. जिस तरह से वो कभी प्रेम चोपड़ा की तरह, कभी परेश रावल की तरह डायलॉग्स दे रहे हैं, साहब जा जाकर ये सिंदूर है, इसमें रगों में मांग क्या है, खून है, गर्म है, ठंडा है, और गोली खाओ रोटी खाओ, ये प्रधानमंत्री है. आज तक हमें जवाब नहीं मिला कि पहलगांव में अप्रैल 2025 में जो किया उन आतंकियों का क्या हुआ, वो कहां है. आज तक जवाब नहीं मिला कि सीजफायर किन शर्तों पर हुआ. आज तक जवाब नहीं मिला हाफिज सईद, अजहर मसूद बच के कैसे निकल गए.
Well, Sabyasachi, imagine if these Congress leaders are asking those questions, then the same Congress party leaders are actually part of those delegations going to multiple countries. What a contrast in the statements that come in from the leaders from the same party.
Well, that's right. See, a lot of contrasting statement coming in from within the Congress party. See, the leaders who are currently here in the country, including leaders like Rahul Gandhi and Pawan Khera, continues to raise question against the central government, where today Mr. Pawan Khera called the NDA government nothing but a drama company and said this is not a government. In fact, time and again, Congress party have raised question on the intent of the central government, with leaders like Charanjit Singh Channi raising even doubts as far as the airstrike is concerned. But clearly a lot of allegations coming in from the Congress party, whereas its own leaders like Mr. Shashi Tharoor, Manish Tiwari, Salman Khurshid, who are part of the delegation and representing India. Now, it is very much important to note that these leaders time and again have praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi and have praised the intent of the central government. Now, Shashi Tharoor on record has said that it was high time, that it was very much required that India hit Pakistan hard and hit smart, and that what exactly India did. And in fact, several messages also coming in from the opposition MPs who are part of the delegation, showing that India is united. But specifically the Congress leadership out here does not
the Vipaksh, they come out and say that the leadership has given out a line that they stand with the government, they stand with the armed forces. But on the other hand, the multi-level delegation is now being termed as a barat. And now even when it comes to the entire operation that has been carried out, it has been termed as a drama company as far as the statements given by the Prime Minister is concerned. Nilesh, is there going to be an end to it? Because here we are looking at that a complete one-on-one that has been happening between the union ministers and also leaders from the UBT SENA.
Whereas, Amita, it is interesting to see that how the opposition leaders who have named their alliance as India seems to be not understanding or getting the emotions of what India is currently experiencing. India as a country is united for the success of Operation Sindoor, and it is an operation that has been appraised globally. Various experts from armed forces have appreciated what India has done by getting into Pakistan and targeting those hundreds plus militants. But it seems like when it comes to unity and trying to understand the sentiments of country, opposition leaders stand in a single line. They themselves do not find standing united.
Yes.
It is the opposition leaders who is raising doubts over the success of the operation. We have
as far as the doubters are concerned, because the Prime Minister must be taking note of the criticism and the questions that are coming in his way from the Vipaksha side, because the Prime Minister also took on the opposition parties and their jibes and the way that they seem to be mocking the operation. This is a pincer attack that is now coming from the Saboot gang directly from the Prime Minister, who doubted, especially who are the ones who were doubting. The Prime Minister has given them a taunt. And this time he has said that the entire world has witnessed the valor, the might, the bravery of our forces. Every action was documented. He also said that this is the proof, this is the saboot that should be given to everyone who asks for it.
जब आतंकवाद के 9 ठिकाने तय करके 22 मिनट में साथियों, 22 मिनट में उनको ध्वस्त कर दिया। और इस बार तो सब कैमरा के सामने की सारी व्यवस्था रखी थी ताकि हमारे घर में कोई सबूत न मांगे। अब हमें सबूत नहीं देना पड़ रहा है, वो ऊपर वाला दे रहा है।
Well, it seems that the opposition still doesn't seem to be convinced. However, as far as the Saboot gang is concerned, the Prime Minister is now saying that there is enough evidence to actually talk about the kind of decimation that has been witnessed in Pakistan because of Operation Sindoor.